Today, we're going to take a look at some of the world's most amazing and functional tools. So, without any further ado, let's get right into it. HOTO 3.6 volt electric screwdriver tool set. Hyde Tools introduces the heat-safe contour scraper. Designed to work alongside heat guns without melting, the heat-safe scraper features a 10-inch metal shaft that won't melt or warp in extreme heat. Comes with 6 stainless steel scraping blades and storage cases. Use the quick-release lever to change the double-sided blades quickly and easy for a total of 12 different scraping contours. Blades are able to be resharpened. Used to scrape molding, chair rails, stair spindles, door and window casings, or any detailed scraping project. Macroza sharpening tool aimed at making milling cutters sharpening easier, faster, and efficient. This sharpening disc comes with a unique diamond coating specially engineered to work with tungsten carbide tools. This disc is attached to a standard drill, allowing you to sharpen anywhere, anytime. Tandemloc Universal Bridge Clamp. The Tandemloc Universal Bridge Clamp can be used when clamping any aperture on an ISO 1161 top or bottom corner fitting. The corner fittings on containers can be up to 12 inches apart or right next to each other when using our bridge clamp. Tandemloc Universal Bridge Clamp is comprised of 4 components. Steel bolt with yellow's incremate finish, painted T1 steel clamp arms, and a zinc-plated adjustment nut for securing the clamp arms in place, along with the paint on the clamp arms and zinc plating on the nut. This incremate finish on the bolt guards against corrosion. Also, the superior T1 steel that the clamp arms are made of is extremely durable. Most bridge clamps in the industry are made from cast steel. To use the universal bridge clamp, you turn the bolt counterclockwise to lengthen and clockwise to shorten. Once the span is at the optimal length for the corner fitting, turn the hex on the bolt using a 2 1/4 inch drive until the containers are at the desired spacing. The universal bridge clamp can be used when securing side to side or top to bottom. As mentioned earlier, it can be used in conjunction with any ISO 1161 quarter fitting aperture. The 3-piece cutting tools are equipped with safety lock buttons. It also has a special non-slip wear resistant frosted PVC handle surface. Make sure you have comfortable control. Multi-cutting tool made of super sharp 5 steel, ideal for plastic pipe, wire, rubber, branches, rope, and linoleum, etc. It also has a functional design of a utility knife. It locks the cutter, and the anvil retracts, exposing the blade like a box cutter, so it easily cuts express packages, cards, leather, etc. Rhino Tools butane soldering iron. Model as 001G is a cordless dust blower powered by 40-volt SEX GT Li-ion battery. With a variety of tip nozzles, this model can meet a wide range of applications from professional use to home use, such as various blow-off works, filter cleaning, inflation and deflation of inflatable toys, and more. Inco Grease Gun Attachment 400cc. A grease gun is a common workshop and garage tool used for lubrication. The purpose of the grease gun is to apply lubricant through an aperture to a specific point, usually from a grease cartridge to a grease fitting or nipple. The channels behind the grease nipple lead to where the lubrication is needed. Split beam torque wrench. The split beam click wrench family is easy to set and does not need to be turned down after use, saving time when the application requires frequent changing of the torque setting. The high contrast dial makes it easy to read the torque setting, and sturdy construction allows this wrench to perform for years, even in harsh environments. The cable scissors No. 35 are suitable for 3 different applications: cutting, stripping, and crimping. They can be used in skilled trades as well as in industrial applications. The fine micro serration of the blades enables flush and anti-slip cutting, providing very precise results. The anti-slip walk component handles made of impact-resistant fiberglass reinforced plastic ensure safe working. Do you carry tons of separate equipment with you when you golf? The FreeShot all-in-one tool lets you carry your golf ball T-ball marker and of it tool in one convenient package. The ball marker slides right off so you can mark your ball in the green and place your marked ball back in the holder. Our patented FreeShot T is designed to bounce back after a hit, so you'll never have to worry about breaking or losing your teeth. With FreeShot, your strokes are taken to the next level. Good one. When we're out on the green, it's common courtesy to cover up the pitch marks from our swings. Fortunately, the FreeShot all-in-one tool takes care of that. It's got a built-in sliding divot tool, so you won't need to bring a spare. Just slide the FreeShot divot tool out of its slot, and you're ready to get to work. Plus, no matter what length of tee you're using, it'll fit like a cinch into the holder, and you won't have to worry about getting scratched or poked by the tee sharp end. With a compact size and less than a pound of weight, you don't need a belt. Just let it sit on your waist. FreeShot is for anyone who loves the golf. Play freely with nothing getting in the way of your swings. More convenience, better safety. Thank you for watching this video on Top 5s HD. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.